Welcome to Hacienda Clara Vista. We're in the Martineau neighborhood of Vieques Island, Puerto Rico. We've got a property here that's gated. As you just saw, we've got an electronic gate to let folks into the property. Long driveway leading up to a 3-bedroom, 4-bath, nice wraparound porch, pool, and ocean views to the north. Great property. I'll see you up at the top of the driveway in a second. Here we are at the top of the driveway. You can see the entrance coming up here, probably about, I'd say 50 to 75 yards. It's a concrete driveway, and here we see the first signs of the house from the driveway as you get up here. There is another gate here in front, as you can see. It can be blocked off if you want to separate the parcel. The other side, there you can see the front of the house. There is a 10 kilowatt generator here that can turn on automatically, can test itself. Ideal for living here in the tropics, as we all know. Downstairs here we have a 2-bay garage, as well as a 3rd bedroom. But on the way out, I'll swing by there and show that to you. I want to take you up to quite possibly the best part of this house, at least for people who are wanting to spend their time here in the tropics, wanting to enjoy the Caribbean sun, and that is the pool. Whether you're living here or plan on renting this house, you can't beat this. Got some nice steps down, steps into the pool, some floating unicorns to keep watch, keep guard of the place. Does have a deep end, and as well you can see, nice little patio area, balcony area. Could be a little tiki bar, a little gazebo if you want to escape the sun. And you can see it even has a little sink, so you got a little wet bar. Got a little mini fridge here right now and a hammock, so it's ideal if you don't want to go to the beach, want to stay at home, or when you come back from the beach you want to rinse off or relax in the pool. Bingo, there you go. So another thing we're going to see, hopefully it's showing up in the video, is this does have also spectacular views. So besides having a pool, you got some great views of the Caribbean Sea to the north. So what you get with that versus views to the south, east, or west is you're going to get, you know, the impression is painted. A lot of painters like the northern light, because when you look to the north, you get a truer sense of colors. It's not a harsh light. You're getting a reflection off the elements. You're getting great colors, and that's really what you see when you sit here and stare off to the north. So in the back here, there's also a utility room. There's a bathroom back here, kind of a pool bath if you want to use it for that, or you can see there's a sink and a toilet. There's an outdoor shower. Everybody loves outdoor showers, as well as a utility laundry room, washer dryer. Nice to have this all separate. Washer dryer. So there's the backyard. It's all paved over. It's all nice and clean. Very easy to maintain. Access to the pool. There is access to the pool on this side, which that's the way we came up. Has the steps coming up from the garage, steps that go up to the balcony. That's on the front of the house. And then on this other side, the balcony wraps all the way around. So basically, we're kind of on the 2nd floor, and you can wrap all the way around on one floor, looking back down to the driveway where we came in. So I'm going to go around to the front of the house, show you the front door, show you the front balcony, take you inside to see the amenities inside, which are equally as nice as everything out here. But here's another shot of the pool. No doubt you'll be spending lots of time here. Friends, family, renters, whoever. It's a great space, great pool. Here's the view from the balcony of the house. I don't know if you can see it out in the distance, but you can see the ferry coming in from Ceiba to Vieques. You can see the Cayo Largo, the keys off the island, all the way out to the tip of the long pier. So here on the north side, you get some great colors bouncing off the clouds, bouncing off the sky, bouncing off the water, the greenery. And the whole while you're sitting here, you're actually sitting in the shade. So one could pass the whole day here easily, enjoy the view of the Caribbean. And where we are is here on the balcony. So it's great space. It's all covered concrete. And this leads, these are the steps that came up. There's the entrance. There's the steps that come up from the pool. And this all leads right to the entrance to the main level of the house, the front door. So coming straight in, got some nice chandeliers, some nice lighting. Everybody loves arches, a couple of arches leading to the kitchen, leading the hallway to the bedrooms. And here we have a nice living room. So what you'll notice here, there is a mini split AC here in the living room, but honestly, it's not really needed. There's a good breeze coming here. Trade winds are always flowing from the east. There is another door that leads out to the side balcony. Owners currently really don't use that. We've got glass Miami windows that close with screens, so even when the windows are closed, you're getting light in here. So it's a nice sized living room. Over here in the kitchen, again, look at that arch. Arch that leads to the living, and from the living room into the kitchen. There's the front door on the balcony. So it's set up as an eat-in kitchen. It's good size here. Very functional. Cabinetry's all in good shape. This house is definitely move-in ready. Microwave, stove, refrigerator, dishwasher. Again, there's your view. If you're sitting here in the morning, you're looking out to the north to the Caribbean Sea. And if you're a mom or a dad, you're working in the kitchen, checking the kids in the pool. Great space in here. Great breeze flowing through here, very cool, and there's no AC on at the moment. Again, another arch. So the details just, everyone loves the arches down here. Again, another arch leading into the hallway. And from here, we can go left into a master bedroom. What we'll do is we'll go right. Here in the hallway is one of the bathrooms. You can see the nice tile finish. The whole house has nice tiles. Stone counter, double sink. Nice lighting, glass block, separation into the shower. Very nice and clean. Again, this house is in great shape. The owners have been very diligent about making sure this house is always in great shape. So this is bedroom number 1. Looks like a queen size bed. These windows, that window is facing south. This window is facing west. This window overlooks the pool area. The pool out there, the floating unicorn. And great ample closet space. And you can tell from this angle that this roof is slanted. So it's something that a lot of folks want. They want a slanted roof. Easier to maintain, less likely you're gonna have standing water up there. Again, you can see the slant in the bathroom. So there's a slanted roof on both sides of this house. It goes in the middle, out to the east, and then down to the west. So that's bedroom number 1. With the bathroom here, I imagine this is the bathroom that's connected to this bedroom, but of course you want a bathroom for guests that might be visiting, which is right off the living room, kitchen area. On this side of the hallway, we come to what can be the master bedroom. Again, notice there's a mini split up there, slanted ceiling, very high. This is probably, geez, this could be like a 12 or 13 foot peak. And on this side is probably 10, maybe a little bit more. So again, good closet space, good sized bedroom. This is set up enough to be a bedroom, little office area, dressers, and then this is an ensuite bathroom, unlike the other. This is an ensuite, again, stone counters, nice hardwood, dark decor, glass block divider into the shower. All in great shape, nice details. And again, the tile floor. This looks like, yeah, looks like a queen bed. Could probably go king size here without any issues. So great size room. So this whole floor, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, kitchen, living room, and the front balcony. This is going to be your primary living space. I'll show you the 3rd bedroom downstairs. We'll head down there. But this is going to be your primary space, which is very clean. Has a great sense of being, you really feel, it does feel open. and then you get the views and the breeze, and it's also very quiet. It's very peaceful up here as well. And there you go. If you go to Ponce, you can pick up some artwork, or perhaps it's negotiable. We'll have to talk with the sellers. So let's I'll take you downstairs and show you the downstairs bedroom. So we're coming down the steps from the front balcony. Again, there's the pool. You go upstairs to back to the pool deck, go to the pool. Where we come down here, there is a door to the garage right there, the 2-bay garage. The garage is actually tiled. There's a workshop in there as well. Big space for holding lawnmowers, a couple of cars. This also just should be mentioned. If you want to add on, I think you could also add on a bedroom or bedroom or 2 down here actually, if you want to turn this into a multi-unit property. So down here is an entrance to the 3rd bedroom. This is great if you have visitors, or if you want to, I guess, turn this into a rental property. This could be the property manager that lives down here. But either way, it's a nice sized bedroom, queen size bed. Got it set up with a TV and some dressers, and then the back here is a full bath. So great size. Very clean, again, glass block wall. So that brings the tally on this property. We're talking 3 bedrooms, we're talking 3 baths within the main building, and then remember out back you have a full bath and the outdoor shower. So 3 bedroom, 4 bath. There is a generator. Other amenities I forgot to mention, the pool has a green factor to it, has two pumps. One is a AC pump which runs off the grid. I'll show you over here. And the other is a DC pump. There's actually 4 solar panels on the roof, and I can hear it running right now. So you see the 2 pumps there, filter. So the pump right now is running off the sun. So as long as the sun's out, the pool pump is running, and it's a very green way of saving on your electric bill, at the same time saving the environment and having a clean pool for everyone to enjoy. So that's it. This is Clara Vista. The floating unicorn is waiting for you. If you want more information on this property or any of others, go to our website, www.paraisorealtypr.com, and we'd love to answer any questions you have. In the meantime, enjoy the view of the Caribbean from your future pool.